Hey, it's Seymour here with your weekly update, and I'm back. You may remember a few weeks ago I was here at the TWA Hotel, which is this amazing piece of architecture that was originally created in the grand old day of propeller flight, I think it was, and then was closed down for years, unused, and now it's reopened as a hotel. And I'm not staying here or anything. I just came to pick someone came to pick my mother up at the airport, and I thought I would stop off here because it's a beautiful place to record a video for you. Okay, very quickly, I showed you last week, a week before, the work on the scoop. We're refining that at the moment, but I want to just show you this, the cable that you're familiar with, and I think I'm announcing this for the first time. We're going to gold plate all the USB connections. Gold plating all the USB connections, just to look how gorgeous this is. Isn't this beautiful? So it's going to be across all of the USB connections. The Apple connection, the Lightning, for those of you who need it, is already very high quality anyway. Apple don't actually allow gold plating. That's just the Lightning tip. All of the USB connections are going to be gold plated. All right. The other thing is, right underneath this video, you will see a countdown, and this is to the Black Friday special. We're going to open it Thursday afternoon on Thanksgiving, right about the time you're trying to start your turkey. We're going to open the cart, and here's the thing: there's going to be a limit on the number of these that we can do, and it's not a pretend limit. What it is that smaller companies like us, we're not Apple, we're not bloody Samsung or something, and smaller companies actually have a limit on the amount of credit card processing they can do for the month, and so we have like a certain amount. We've only got this much space left before we run out of credit card processing capacity by the end of the month. So if you are interested in the Black Friday special, on which you voted, and by the way, voting is still open. The link to that is also below. If you want to get an outrageous deal on our most popular charger, which has had the most exciting upgrades while we've been working on it, then you want to join us as soon as you can after the clock down, the countdown clock comes to 0 on Thanksgiving Friday. We'll keep it open until midnight Black Friday if we can, but if we run out of credit card processing capacity before that, then we'll be shutting it down. So my advice would be, get over there, take a look, and if it's something you really want, then jump in as quickly as you can. It'll help us with the cash position, maybe speed up delivery a little bit, although it's still going to be months before, because as you know, we're working to get this just right. So that's it. Quick one this week. Got to pick up my mum shortly from Terminal 8. She's can you imagine? Last night, I got an email about 8 o'clock in the evening. It says flight's cancelled. This is what you want to have when your mother's flying from across the ocean. Anyway. They put her on another flight, so I'm going to be picking her up shortly. Thank you so much for your support. We love you. And we'll just have one last final little look around the amazing TWA Hotel. Isn't this place extraordinary? It's just by Terminal 5 at JFK Airport. And I don't know, if you're ever coming into JFK, see if you can find a few extra minutes to stop by and check it out, because it's considered to be an architectural gem.